When it comes to assessment methods, I suggest you discuss this with your colleagues as a way to make sure that your assessment methods in your department are as diverse as possible. Group assessment is a way for students not only to show what they've learned, but also to keep learning together and from each other. A colleague of mine used group examination and oral group examination as an assessment method after a course. And she said that preparing for the exam took time, but of course after the examination she didn't have any essays to read. Based on the course literature, she created reflective questions, that is, not detail-oriented questions. And each group got 7 minutes per question, and each group member was supposed to answer the same question. My colleague made notes during the examination because this is a quick examination form, and she needed to note her general impression of the answers from the different groups. But she also had to keep an eye on the time frames to make sure that each group got exactly the same amount of time. The grade was based on the teacher's assessment, but also on student reflections after the examination. My colleague said that she got a pretty good idea of who had read the course literature and who had not during the group examination, and this was confirmed by the student reflections. My colleague also included several written assignments during the course, which were included in the final grade. The students were generally well prepared and they appreciated this experience. And perhaps the social dimension made them study the course literature throughout the course, and it made them more inclined to prepare for the exam since they had to, so to say, sink or swim together.